Here's just a quick look at these 3D printed dragon eggs that I'm going to be using in our Easter egg hunt. They're super cute. There's 6 different ones. And then to open them, you just twist them a little bit and they slide apart. And then inside is the dragon. They're super fun and bendy. They are a little bit thinner than I thought they would be, but otherwise they look awesome. And I already know that the kids are going to think these are super cool. So you just work them open, and then each one has a dragon inside.